Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today in this video we will tell you like how to create Gmail from your laptop. You can see this. We have multiple Gmails in our laptop. So if you want to learn like step by step how to create Gmail from your laptop and also from your mobile phone, just stay with us. So for those guys who are new to our channel, so please like and subscribe our channel. We will tell you like how to create Gmail step by step. First of all, you have to open your browser like this and type it like Gmail. Okay, so just click on the first one, say, or you can watch like on right side, sign in. Just click on it. Okay, so it will tell you to give him email address or your phone number. If you already have, so you can give your email or phone address at here. Or if you want to create a new account, so you have just look at here. Just look at here, create account. So you have to click on it, create account. So it will ask you three questions. Where are you creating your Gmail account for my personal use, for my children, or for work or business? Okay, so just if you want to create for yourself, so for my personal use I will click on it. Okay, so it will ask your first name, so give it your first name. Okay, Alex is my first name. Okay, and to ask you the last name, Alex Mando. Okay, so now it click on just on the next button. So then it will ask you about your date of birth. So just you have to select it. Okay, 1992. Okay, after this you have to give him your gender. Are you female, male, or rather not to say or custom? I am a male, so I will click on male. So just click on next button. After it will ask you choose your Gmail address, pick a Gmail address or create your own. So if you want to click use from an example like on 56, or if you want to use your some existing mail, so or create your own Gmail address, or like if you want to create Alex or some kind of you want Alex Mando 5544 or whatever you want, so just you have to click on next. Okay, so after this it will require your password, like what you want to give in a password. Okay, so it's my suggestion, just create a complex or a lengthy password, so it will unable to detect or unable to hack. Okay, so I will give my password. Okay, so just confirm it again. Okay, after it just click on the next button. So it's little bit easier, so that's why. Okay, so it will ask you that you want to save your password here in your browser. Just click on the save, and after it will ask you about your recovery email address. If you have any other email address, you can give it here. Like if someone stole your account or if you forget your password, so you can recover your email through this account. So I don't have another email account, so I will skip this step. Okay, after it will ask you about your phone address, like sometime if you forget your password, so it will give some kind of keys on your mobile phone or recovery email address, so you can get back your account, or you can say you can recover your Gmail account over here. Okay, just click on skip button. Okay, just give him Alex Man 555@gmail.com. So that's a mail what I wanted. So just click on the next button. Okay, it will then tell you about terms and conditions. So click on agree after your email account is created. Okay, so if you want to click, if you want to go to Gmail, just come to new tab. Okay, and click here Gmail login. Okay, sign into your account. You can see this, all of your stuff over here. Okay, just click on this button. Okay, you can see all the application provided by Gmail, Google. Your account is here, your search services, your YouTube, your Gmail. I will going to click on Gmail account. Okay, you can see this, all of my data will be here. Okay, so I can compose new mail, I can send emails to my other friend, and you can also check all the applications contacts are here. Okay, so it's all about how to create a Gmail account. So guys, if you are new to here, please support us, please like, subscribe my channel. Thank you, take care, bye bye.